Use social link blocks to display social icons anywhere you can add blocks to your site. The icons will be linked to the URL that you add to the social links panel. It's most common to add social links to the footer of your website. To get started, click Edit. Then click Add Block. Choose the social links block and connect to your accounts. When you update the social links, they will also be updated on your social links panel. If you add or remove any social links in the panel, the blocks on your site will reflect the change. You can customize your alignment, border, and sizing using the display section. With Fluid Engine, you can now move, layer, and resize the blocks in countless ways, giving you the tools to add depth to your site. When you made the changes to your liking, click Save. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.